Here we have another addition to the Ducket home for the Lost and Unwanted. This is a Hoover portapower, 2.2 horsepower. We call it the Gran Torino vac. It's kind of like a Starsky and Hutch car. Excuse me. Strangely enough, it's not decorated on this side. But it's got something I haven't seen very much on portapowers. It's got wheels. It's got this hose, which is exactly the same as a dial-o-matic hose, which I also hear they have the exact same motor as a dial-o-matic. But this one's actually up for adoption. It comes with a crevice tool, the hose. I'm zoomed in, I'm sorry. The hose, the dusting brush, there's another attachment. Unfortunately, it does not come with this wand or this tool. These belong, the wand belongs to my dial-o-matic, and that tool belongs to my Hoover porta broom. Quick broom. But here's some oatmeal and whatever the hell was left at the bottom of a bag of Fruit Loops. Gonna vacuum it up. If you want to make an offer on this vacuum, just send me a PM. We'll see what we can do. Really tall and this is really short. In case you didn't know, portapowers are industrial vacuum cleaners. They were originally made to clean out Xerox machines, as can be seen by OSHA requirement 29 CFR 1910 Subpart S. Here's the info tag. It's double insulated, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 7.4 amps. Bag type in. Well, it says it's bag type in, but actually this portapower, here comes the rain again, has a cloth bag, and that is not what I paid for it. That's what somebody paid for the bag. It has the special toner safe cloth bag. It has good suction, motor's fine, it's been in there, I've oiled it all up. And if you want to adopt this nice vacuum cleaner, just send me a PM. I'll get it out to you. Might have to hold on to it for a friend of mine for a quick second, but by the end of this video I might be able to tell y'all. Well, if he doesn't get it first, screw him. Thanks for watching.